Alright guys, this vlog's all over the place. 2 car meets. Now we're all about to go on a big cruise. We got a lot of sick cars like M4, M5. Woo! We also got the green Huracan and a couple other supercars. Supercars. I don't know how I'm gonna keep up right now when we get on the freeway. Crazy this shit looks, guys. It is raining. Bro, the craziest whip. 720S GTR that's fully carbon fiber. Huracan that's freaking crazy. Look at him. He's like warming up the tires or something. Bro, it really sucks that it's raining because everyone's kind of driving pretty slow. It's pretty sketch. All these guys are on like Toyo tires that are all slick. Is just cool. Guys, I'm struggling to keep up with these dudes. I need to get a freaking GTR, bro. There's something fast. I swear, this Huracan and that 720S make 1,000 horsepower. And I'm over here in my stock E92. I think their GTR is probably making 1,000 too. came to the most busiest street ever, and look at all these people looking. Everybody's looking at the Lambo. I'm getting pulled over, guys.
Hey, can you turn off your car for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Where are you guys headed?
We're just gonna get some food.
Huh?
Some food.
Okay, we're just gonna pull you over. You have no front plate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, state of California is supposed to have a front plate and a rear plate.
Your driver's license?
Thank you.
And my shirt. I thought you would go after the Lambo first. The Lamborghini. I think this is my insurance.
This one's expired. Do you have a new one?
I think so. Hold on.
If you have it on your phone, I'll let you get it on your phone. That's fine.
I might have it on my phone, maybe in my email.
You're on probation or parole?
Nothing.
Never been arrested?
Never.
Tickets?
Never. Never. No tickets.
Okay. All right. Give me a second. Okay.
Okay. I'll try to find it for you.
All right.
I don't know, guys. I'm very curious why he pulled me over out of everybody. Out of the McLaren. Well, this sucks, and I don't have a copy of my insurance cards for some reason. Bro, guys, I can't believe I got pulled over. Out of everybody, I had to get pulled over, guys. Okay, I got pulled over right now, and I need a picture of my insurance card because I don't have the updated one.
Were you able to find
I'm trying to find it. I have the 2016, 17, 18. I just need to find the newest one.
Do you have an email copy of it? Whatever the most current one is?
18 probably. Let me see. 16.
Just, if you can just keep working on it. See if
Yeah, I'll try
you
to
can
get it.
email it to you or whatever.
I should be able to get it.
Okay.
We're literally cruising with, there's Lamborghinis, Ferraris, McLarens, all kinds of crazy cars because my front plate is out. I'm like, none of those cars had front plates, none of them. Out of all the freaking cars. I'm for sure getting a ticket, which sucks. I found it. I have a picture of it.
It's fine.
2020, yeah.
Okay. All right. So here's the deal. We're not having a front plate.
Okay.
State of California says you're supposed to have 2 plates, front and rear. The vehicle.
I just don't have anywhere to mount it on. That's
Huh?
it. I just don't have anywhere to put it on.
Oh, you need to find a way there.
Yeah, I'll find a way if I have to.
Okay. It's
I've
a
just
picture ticket. Okay.
Sorry about that.
I'm not gonna give you anything right now in terms of physical ticket for it. You're gonna get something in the mail.
Oh, okay.
Do you have any questions?
No questions.
No?
Sorry about that.
Sure you drive safe out here, okay?
I will, of course, always.
All right.
Oh, that's dumb. Anyways, I got a ticket. No front license plate. Are you kidding me? But I don't have a... I guess I'm gonna mail it or something like that. Dude, they're waiting for me to start my car too. Why should give me an exhaust ticket right now? These cars, be quiet. Oh my god, my car is so loud. Bro, if he comes back and gives me an exhaust ticket, I'm gonna be so mad. Fuck, dude. Guys, I can't believe that. I don't even think I showed you guys the cops, but they're right there. They're right there. I don't know if you guys can see the lights still. That freaking sucks, man. Well, that sucks. Front license plate ticket. It's a fix-it ticket, so it'll probably be like 25 bucks. But I guess the ticket's gonna go to the mail or something, which I've never heard that before. I thought I just signed the ticket. But whatever, I got a freaking front license plate ticket. The Lambo has no front license plate. The McLaren has no front license plate. The GTR, the Ferrari, none of those guys had front license plates, but I had to get picked out of all of them, which sucks. Oh. Hey, at least I didn't get an exhaust ticket. I'm cool with a license plate ticket. You guys can give me plenty of license plate tickets. The weirdest thing is that I didn't even sign no paper. They just gave me a license plate ticket, and he said he's gonna send it to my house, which is really weird. I don't know what that means. Hopefully it's just a fix-it ticket like he said, but thank God I didn't get an exhaust ticket. It's funny how they were just waiting for me to start my car up and leave. They're probably like, we should pull him over. I thought they were gonna pull me over again. Oh shit. Well, that shit was scary. I haven't got pulled over in so long. I think the last time I got pulled over, I got a state rep for my exhaust. Oh, good thing you didn't hear that, huh? I think the last time I got pulled over was probably like over a year ago, which is crazy, for my exhaust, which sucked. But I don't know, sketch. Well, we made it. on the beach. I'm all late. Bro, I can't believe I got pulled over, guys. Like, I literally cannot believe it. Why did I have to get pulled over? Out of all the people. Can we just take a second to see? Nobody has a front license plate at all. But I guess they had to get the guy with the cheapest car. They had to get me.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.